I am going to the park. I am going to the park. She likes to draw pictures. She likes to draw pictures. We are eating lunch. We are eating lunch. He is playing the guitar. He is playing the guitar. They are swimming in the pool. They are swimming in the pool. I have a big family. I have a big family. She is wearing a red dress. She is wearing a red dress. We are studying for the test. We are studying for the test. He is writing a letter. He is writing a letter. I like to listen to music. I like to listen to music. They are going shopping. They are going shopping. She is drinking tea. She is drinking tea. I am reading a story. I am reading a story. We are having fun. We are having fun. He likes to ride a bicycle. He likes to ride a bicycle. I need some water. I need some water. She is singing a song. She is singing a song. We are cleaning the house. We are cleaning the house. He is talking on the phone. He is talking on the phone. I am happy to see you. I am happy to see you.